In the following video, we are going to review migrating a dynamic criteria report to Kinetic. As we know, we have three different types of reports: the standard report, the BAQ report, and the one we are going to review this time, the dynamic criteria report. To begin, we can know if it is a dynamic criteria report by going to the classic version. We will have to go to the help option and then select the about option. We go to system info, and if in the assembly name we have dynamic criteria report, this means that we are dealing with this type of report. Next, we will return to the Kinetic version to begin the migration. We have to open the report style option, and we will search for the name of our report. Once in the report detail, we are going to go to the overflow and look for the generate form option. As we can see, the following screen is displayed in a slide panel. This is basically our Kinetic element. To confirm that our dashboard has been successfully migrated, we are going to copy the report ID and go to Application Studio. We are going to filter and search for the name of the report ID. Here is the ID and the nomenclature. This basically indicates that our report has been successfully migrated to the Kinetic version. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next one.